Hi guys, so today I have such a very short video for you. I was about to do stands for my V-flat background, and I decided to share how I do that because I know some of you does use them as well and you might find it useful. So it's very fast, a quick tutorial, and for this I have actually two stands that from polystyrene is the one that you can pick up at Lowe's or Home Depot, and I just paint it. And I used to use it, I just put it against the wall, but it's not really comfortable because they're not really versatile. So in order to you can put them anywhere you want, in any location, even in the middle, to attach a background or something. I'm going to do a stand, so I have two of them. So I'll be having two stands, and I have four planks. These things I got from Home Depot, and it was one long 8 feet plank, and it was around $5 something, around $6. And I just asked some nice gentleman there to cut it for me to 4 pieces, and I have 4 pieces already ready there. And also you'll be needing, this is actually things that hold shelves. This I actually got from Lowe's. I like this one more because the ones that they have in Home Depot have a plank here, and I don't really like that. So I have 8 of this. Then we are going to be needing just a screwdriver and screws. And yes, see how I did it. First, I'm going to use my ruler to mark the center of the board. It's so tempting to use centimeters, but since we in US, I'm going to stick with inches. After I mark the center of the plank, I'm going to mark 1 inch and 1/8 on each side because my polyboards is 2 inch wide. So I add 1/8 on each side just to just to make sure that they will slide in easily. Turned out that the planks wasn't cut all the same, so I have to mark it each one by one. And now when it's done, I can go on and start screw on the metal part to the plank. For the first one, we use screwdriver, and for the next ones, we use electric one, just to show that whatever you have on hand will work. And of course, this is not my hand, but if you can have help, why shouldn't you, right? Turned out the planks was cut a little bit shorter than the length of the shelf holder. I don't know how that calls. I call them like that. So we were able to screw them just in 2 places, which end up totally fine. They still holds firmly, and it's not a problem at all. And here is the final result. As you see, it was very fast, very easy, and this is a great addition to your studio if you use polyboards. And hopefully you enjoyed this short tutorial. Thumbs up if you find it useful, comment below, and subscribe for more tutorials like it. And hope you all the best. Lots of love from Houston, Texas. Bye.